Kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka 30, ikundi ciethaĩte na matharaita ikoretwo ikĩrũa na mbũtũ cia thirikari ya Congo mwena wa irathĩro, ũndũ ũrĩa ũthararĩtie thayũ bũrũri mũgima na kũhotomia ũruti wa wĩra, motungata ma bata kũrĩ mũingĩ na nginya ũthii wa nambere. Bũrũri wa Congo arĩguo wa mũthia kũingĩra thĩinĩ wa ngwatanĩro ya mabũrũri ma Afrika irathĩro mwaka ũyũ. Mĩario ya gwetha thayũ ĩkoretwo ĩgĩtabanio kaingĩ nĩguo Congo ĩtherie mbica yayo.
My government assures you, Your Excellency, and the people of the Democratic Republic of Congo, as well as the entire East African region and Africa at large, of Kenya's unwavering support and of our determination to stay this course together until the job is done.
This situation has negatively impacted our region, including the issue of hundreds of thousands of Congolese refugees who are unable to safely return to their homes, as well as impeding trade and investment with negative implications to the whole region.
We also encourage regional states to maintain their commitment to existing regional bilateral as well as multilateral understandings. We reiterate the vital importance of utilizing approved frameworks and engaging positively to address all issues, disagreements, misunderstandings, and concerns in order to sustain and enhance mutual outcomes.
Mĩario ĩno ya Nairobi niyo ya gatatũ ya gwetha thayũ ĩgĩtongorio nĩ President Ruto hamwe na chairman wa mabũrũri ma Afrika irathĩro Evariste Ndayishimiye, president wa bũrũri wa Burundi. Ikundi imwe nĩ ihutĩtio ngoro nĩ kĩo gĩkĩ gĩa gwetha thayũ na kwanjia gwĩtĩkĩra kwaranĩria.
So, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the efforts that we have deployed in the framework of the Nairobi process have indeed yielded positive results. And as we meet here today, I would like to indicate that there are a number of armed groups that undertook to cease hostilities in advance of Nairobi 1 and which have kept their part of the bargain to date. And I would like to commend these groups for vesting their faith on the process that we are undertaking. And on our part, we commit to do everything possible to ensure the success of this initiative.
Bũrũri wa Kenya nĩ ũmwe wa mabũrũri marĩa matũmĩte mbũtũ ciaguo bũrũri-inĩ wa Congo nĩguo iteithĩrĩrie gũcokia thayũ. Rĩrĩ ikundi iria ikorega kũhĩmbĩria thayũ bũrũri-inĩ ũcio ihetwo mũkana wa gũkinyũkĩrio makinya mahiũ.
If there is any Congolese group that does not respect the formula reached after the dialogue, the combined resources of East Africa will be brought down to bear on them. No force can defy the combined effort of East Africa. I am sure of this.
Bũrũri wa Congo ũrĩa andũ makĩria milioni 90 na nĩo mabũrũri marĩa mangĩ ma Afrika irathĩro marenda kuonjorithia nao na gũkũria gĩcigo kĩa Afrika ya irathĩro kĩrĩ gĩothe.